أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Welcome to Uzbekistan.
Avvalambor sizni Buxoro sharifda xususan Shoh Bahor Naqshband Quddusa Sirruhu rahmatullohi alayhi hozir turganimizdan juda xursandmiz.
We are very glad to see you in Uzbekistan and at the same time in Bukarah, Sheikh Bahauddin Naqshbandi mavzoli.
Shunga endi avvalambor o'zlarini tafsilotlari haqida ulashsa, ya'ni festival haqidagi bir fikrlarni bilsak.
We really wanted to hear about your experience in this festival. How could you tell us about what did you see in this festival and how did you like it?
Alhamdulillahi wa kafa wa salamun ala ibadihi allazina istafa amma ba'd. I really appreciate the golden opportunity which has been given to us to see the places of our mashayikh. We are connected with the relation of love to our mashayikh. Everyone who listens the name, he wants to see their places. And this is first time that so many people from our country and other countries of the world, they got the opportunity to come. It was first time. So next time I feel that thousands of people will try to come on this place to see the places of our mashayikh. So we are very happy. The arrangements are very good, especially the places where we stay and the food which we eat, everything, and transportation, everything has been arranged very good. So the whole group is very happy and they are discussing with each other that if the doors are opened by the government of Uzbekistan for this, then it will bring a good opportunity for the people to come. They go to Europe, they go to America, they go to Canada, so many other places. But there they don't have the opportunity to see these secret places. They see the malls, they see the railway stations, they see these worldly things. So they don't want to go there. But if they have the opportunity to come here, they would love to come with their families, with their children, and I think it will boost the tourism in this country. And it will make a good impact, economical impact on the economy of the country. Because thousands of people coming and going back, and surely when they will come here, they will try to buy few things as a gift for the relatives. So it will give a big economic impact on the country. So I think that it was a beautiful thought. Anyone who thought that we should get the tourist for our country, so it's going to pay back in a very short time. Moreover, the people, they are connected to the people of this country. When we listen to the name of this country, we become very happy. Oh, the place of Imam Bukhari, or the place of Naqshbandi Bukhari rahmatullah alayh, or the place of Imam Maturidi. So all of these mashayikh, look at this, that people used to go to Baghdad, to Iraq, to see the place of Hazrat Khaja Abdul Qadir Jilani rahmatullah alayh. Or people used to go to India to see the place of Khaja Minu Chishti Ajmeri rahmatullah alayh. So they go to different countries, but they find one person there. And here in one country, you find the places of 15 big mashayikh. So a country which is very rich in the history of our mashayikh. So I think that we should make dua for all those people who made the arrangements or who took part in hosting the guests. And all the guests are really very happy, and they are talking very high about the people of this country, the government of this country, the president of this country, who gave the opportunity, who gave the permission for the foreigners to come and visit the places. And same are my own feelings.
Thank you very much.
Yaxshi, hamma gaplarni ko'ngilda hayotga. Hop bitta narsani tarjima qilib qo'yasiz. Bizning butun hukumatimiz bizdan salom yo'lladi. Ikkinchidan duolarda eslab turishni iltimos qilishdi.
During the time when we were working on the agreement and when we went to the government officials, they really wanted to see you, but they couldn't, and they really wanted to send their greetings to you, and they really need your dua. Inshallah, please make them dua so that they can be great people and find all the goodness in this world and the other world, inshallah.
inson aytgan, hozir bu bevosita bu tadbirimizni tashkillashtirishda bizga hukumat bevosita yordam berdi. Xususan o'sha prezident administratsiyasi, vazirlar mahkamasi juda qattiq yordam berdi.
So in the organization of this event, especially together with us, worked the president administration and governmental officials, a lot of governmental officials, and these organizations worked very tightly with us and helping us all the time to organize all the events and the transportation and the hotel and the food, and we hope and we need your dua for them. Inshallah.
Nima agar masalan tavsiyalar, maslahatlar bo'lsa, insonlar bo'lishadi.
Okay.
Ya'ni shularga.
And additionally, we really wanted to hear and we'll appreciate your instructions or comments on how to improve our organization or this kind of events in the future, inshallah.
With the passage of time, I feel that the people who are working, they will themselves find out that how they can improve their own procedures. So you can feel the amount of love that we guests sit in our rooms and we try to remember the language, Uzbek language. And at least I have learned 2 words. One is yakshe and one is rahmat. Make dua for all of us. Subhana Rabbiyal Albab. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد وبارك وسلم. ربنا ظلمنا أنفسنا وإن لم تغفر لنا وترحمنا لنكونن من الخاسرين. اللهم حبب إلينا الإيمان وزينه في قلوبنا وكره إلينا الكفر والفسوق والعصيان. اللهم اجعلنا من الراشدين. اے رب کریم، ہم آپ کے عاجز مسکین بندے ہیں، ہمارے گناہوں کو معاف فرما، خطاؤں سے درگزر فرما، عیبوں کی پردہ فرما۔ اے اللہ، جن لوگوں نے اس ٹور اور کانفرنس کا انتظام کیا، اللہ اپنی طرف سے ان کو بہترین اجر اور بدلہ عطا فرما۔ میرے مالک، ان کی رزق میں برکتیں عطا فرما، ان کی صحت میں برکتیں عطا فرما، ان کی عزت میں برکتیں عطا فرما، ان کے دین میں برکتیں عطا فرما۔ اللہ اس ملک پر اپنی کروڑوں رحمتیں نازل فرما، ہماری ان دعاؤں کو اپنی رحمت سے قبول فرما۔ اللہ، یہ ہمارے مشائخ کی اولادیں ہیں، اپنی رحمت کے ساتھ ان کو دنیا میں عزتیں نصیب فرما، ان کو اپنے مشائخ کا نام روشن کرنے والا بنا۔ ہماری دعائیں اپنی رحمت کے ساتھ ان کے حق میں اللہ اپنی قبول فرما۔ ربنا تقبل منا انک انت السمیع العلیم تب علینا انک انت التواب الرحیم۔ صلی اللہ تعالی علی حبیبہ سیدنا محمد وآلہ واصحابہ اجمعین برحمتک یا ارحم الراحمین۔